Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 25 genius Kreg tools that will completely transform your woodworking forever. From precision joinery to time-saving innovations, these tools are designed to boost accuracy, speed, and creativity in every project. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll discover tools that truly upgrade your workshop experience. Ionic Drive. The Kreg Ionic Drive. Wet/dry vac KPTWDV026B is a compact cordless solution built for efficient workshop cleanup and dust control. Powered by the Ionic Drive 20-volt system, it features HEPA filtration, capturing 99.97% of fine particles. Its dual-speed brushless motor delivers up to 50 cubic feet per minute suction, while the 2.6-gallon tank handles wet and dry debris. Lightweight and versatile, it also converts into a blower and connects easily to multiple woodworking tools. Drill Guide Pro. The Kreg Drill Guide Pro, KDG6500, is a versatile portable jig that delivers drill press accuracy anywhere. It supports precise 90 degrees and angled drilling from -45 degrees to 45 degrees, making it ideal for complex woodworking tasks. A self-centering base and V-groove hold material securely, while the depth stop ensures consistent results. With durable metal construction, dust collection support, and compatibility with most drills, it's a reliable upgrade for any workshop setup. SureCut Saw Blade. The Kreg SureCut Saw Blade series delivers clean, precise cuts with reduced vibration, making it perfect for both circular and miter saws. Designed with a thin curve profile, it boosts cutting efficiency and extends battery life on cordless tools. Its anti-stick coating minimizes heat and friction, while laser cut slots reduce noise and chatter. Featuring premium carbide teeth, these blades stay sharp longer and handle hardwoods, plywood, and fine finishing tasks with ease and consistency. Rip-Cut. The Kreg Rip-Cut, KMA2685, transforms your circular saw into a precision cutting system for fast, straight, and repeatable rip cuts. Its edge-guided design keeps every cut perfectly parallel, while the adjustable guide handles widths up to 24 inches with ease. The oversized rail improves stability, and the universal sled fits most saws. Ideal for plywood and MDF, it eliminates measuring after setup, saving time and boosting accuracy in every woodworking project. Dowel Jig Kit. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit, KHJD345, is a versatile, no-measured joinery system built for creating strong, perfectly aligned dowel joints in woodworking projects. It features multiple alignment methods, dual-size support for 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch dowels, and integrated setup tools for quick, accurate drilling. Its clamp-ready, durable design ensures stability and long-term use. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and repairs, this kit delivers clean, professional results with ease and consistency every time.
Kreg K MA3000 Panel Carrier. The Kreg K MA3000 Panel Carrier is an ergonomic handheld solution designed to help one person lift and transport large sheet goods with ease. Built with Kreg's Grip Max TM pads, it offers a strong, non-marring hold that automatically adjusts to materials up to 3/4 of an inch thick. Able to support loads up to 100 pounds, it works with plywood, MDF, drywall, and more. users appreciate its sturdy construction, padded handle, and ability to make solo hauling far easier, though some note that heavier sheets may still require considerable arm strength. Kreg KMA 4100 Crosscut Station. The Kreg KMA 4100 Crosscut Station is a compact portable cutting guide designed to deliver miter saw quality cuts using a standard circular saw. Compatible with most 6.5 to 7.25 inch saws, it lets you make accurate 90-degree crosscuts up to 12 inches wide, as well as clean 0 to 45-degree angled and miter cuts. Its MDF base creates a zero clearance kerf line for splinter-free results, while support wings and hold-down clamps keep materials stable. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for small shops or on-site work where precision and portability are essential. Kreg VersaGrip Clamps. The Kreg VersaGrip clamps deliver powerful one-handed clamping with up to 300 pounds of force, making them a versatile choice for woodworking, assembly, and DIY projects. Their standout feature is the adjustable head and handle, which can slide anywhere along the bar to avoid obstructions and improve positioning. The reversible head allows quick conversion from clamping to spreading, while the ergonomic handle and quick release trigger enhance comfort and speed. With non-marring grip max pads and full compatibility with Kreg pocket hole jigs, these clamps provide reliable performance in 6 to 36 inch sizes. Kreg Inline Clamp. The Kreg Inline Clamp, model KBCIC, is a clever benchtop solution designed to deliver strong, horizontal clamping power while keeping your workspace clear. It fits standard 3/4 inch or 20mm dog holes and provides up to 250 pounds of pressure through an easy-to-adjust contoured dial. With a low-profile 1/2 inch clamp shoe and 4 3/4 inch adjustment range, it holds material securely without obstructing sanding or assembly. Its 360-degree swiveling design accommodates corners and irregular shapes. Lightweight yet durable, it pairs perfectly with the Kreg Mobile Project Center for versatile hands-free work holding. Kreg Bar Clamp. The Kreg Bar Clamp with Automax technology is designed to deliver fast, consistent, and hassle-free clamping for woodworking projects. Its auto-adjust mechanism allows the jaws to instantly adapt to different material thicknesses, while a thumb screw fine-tunes the pressure for precise control. Standard duty models provide up to 550 pounds of force with lengths from 8 inches to 24 inches, making them ideal for everyday assembly. Heavy-duty versions boost capacity to 700 pounds and offer larger reaches and lengths for demanding tasks. Both feature durable metal construction and non-marring pads for reliable, secure clamping. Kreg Portable Work Surface. The Kreg Portable Work Surface delivers a stable, compact, and highly functional workspace for small shop woodworkers, DIYers, and on-the-go makers. It's ultra-flat 18 inches by 29 inches. MDF surface features precision 3/4 inch dog holes, grip max, anti-slip cords, and 4-inch leveling feet for secure clamping and improved clearance. A built-in carry handle doubles as a screw holder, enhancing convenience. For larger tasks, the Kreg Mobile Project Center offers a versatile 27.5 inches by 31.25 inches surface. Heavy gauge steel support, multiple clamping options, and foldable, high-capacity functionality. Ideal for assembly, cutting, and portable job site work. Kreg Jig K 4-pocket hole system. The Kreg Jig K 4-pocket hole system is a reliable, easy-to-use tool designed to create clean, strong, and hidden joints for woodworking and DIY projects. It supports material thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches and uses hardened steel guides for precise 15-degree pocket holes. Its rear-mounted toggle clamp keeps workpieces stable, while built-in chip relief and a dust collection port help maintain a cleaner workspace. The removable drill guide adds portability, and onboard storage keeps accessories organised. Users praise its durability, simplicity, and dependable joint strength, making it ideal for beginners and pros. Kreg Draw Front Mounting Tool. The Kreg Draw Front Mounting Tool, KCS-DFMT, is a heavy-duty steel clamping system designed to make installing drawer fronts faster, easier, and perfectly accurate. Its thick steel body, ribbed corners, and Grip Max pads keep the drawer front stable without slipping or causing damage. Large adjustment knobs offer smooth, precise positioning, while the tool works with drawers allowing up to 3/8 inch side clearance and 1.5 inch overlays. When paired with the ProKit's magnetic shims, it delivers consistent reveals. Users praise it as a reliable extra hand for flawless, professional-grade alignment. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro is a compact, ultra-portable pocket hole system designed for thin materials and precision work where standard jigs are too large. Optimized for stock as thin as 1/4 inch, it features a hardened steel drill guide set at 15 degrees, paired with a dedicated 15/64 inch micro pocket drill bit that creates smaller, cleaner holes ideal for crafts, trim, and delicate repairs. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for tight spaces and on-the-go tasks, and while it requires a separate clamp, users appreciate its strength, accuracy, and discreet pocket hole results. Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder. The Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder, KMM1000, is a compact battery-free tool designed to quickly locate studs by detecting the metal screws or nails securing drywall. Using powerful rare earth magnets, it provides hands-free operation and precise alignment with built-in notches and a bubble level. Compact and durable, it fits easily in a pocket or toolbox. A laser mark version adds a battery-powered laser line for enhanced accuracy. Users praise its simplicity, reliability, and convenience, making it an essential tool for hanging shelves, cabinets, and pictures with confidence. Kreg KWS 500 Track Horse. The Kreg KWS 500 Track Horse is a durable, versatile work support that functions as a sawhorse, clamping center, and workbench. Made from steel and aluminum, it supports up to 1,100 pounds individually or 2,200 pounds per pair. Its 6 adjustable heights, foldable legs, and unique top track with Automax bench clamp allow secure, hands-free clamping and cutting. Compatible with a second track horse or Kreg Mobile Project Center, it offers a flexible work platform. Users praise its stability, build quality, and convenience, though it's heavier and pricier than standard sawhorses. Kreg Corner Routing Guide Set. The Kreg Corner Routing Guide Set PRS 1000 is a versatile jig designed for precise, repeatable corner routing. Compatible with most routers, it uses dual-bearing flush trim bits, sold separately, and includes 8 quick change templates, 5 radius sizes, 1/4 inch to 2 inches, and 3 chamfers 1/2 inch to 2 inches. The Grip Max anti-slip base and large handle ensure control and safety, while adjustable edge stop posts accommodate different material thicknesses. Stored in a dedicated case, this guide set simplifies creating professional-looking, rounded or chamfered edges on tabletops, shelves, and doors with ease. Kreg 90-degree pocket hole driver. The Kreg 90-degree pocket hole driver, KDRV 90DG, is a compact impact-rated drill attachment designed for tight, hard-to-reach spaces. It converts any drill or impact driver into a 90-degree driver, accepting all hex shank bits. The included 3-inch square drive bit features a magnetic tip that locks securely to prevent slipping. Built with precision metal gears, it's durable and impact-rated. Its ergonomic design allows one-handed control for effortless screw driving. Users praise its solid construction, ease of use, and ability to tackle awkward angles, making it a trusted tool for pocket hole joinery and general repairs. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 PRO. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 PRO is Kreg's most advanced system, designed for precise, efficient joinery. It automatically adjusts to material thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches with the Automax dual action clamp, and features a Grip Max anti-slip surface for secure work holding. 3 hardened steel drill guides ensure perfect 15-degree pocket holes, while the integrated dust port keeps your workspace clean. The benchtop docking station adds stability, and the portable design allows use on larger projects. The Pro Kit includes clamps, drill bits, screws, and a project plan for a complete workstation. Kreg KHCCC 90-degree corner clamp. The Kreg KHCCC 90-degree corner clamp is a versatile self-squaring clamp that securely holds 90-degree corners and T-joints, freeing both hands for assembly. Its Automax auto-adjust technology adapts to material thickness with a single squeeze, while a thumb screw allows precise pressure control. Built with cast aluminum pads, durable steel handles, and edge stops for perfect alignment, it even lets you drive screws without removal. Ideal for cabinets, drawers, and boxes, users praise its convenience, consistent pressure, and extra hand functionality, though some find initial setup and handle width slightly challenging.